So this is a really interesting question that is absolutely necessary for understanding kinetics. So let's say we have a reaction, 3A plus 2B becomes C. Now, you might be tempted to say, oh, I can just look at this and I know what the rate law is. The rate is equal to the concentration of A to the third power times the concentration of B squared. But that's not correct. It might be correct, but we won't know unless we do an experiment. Now, one way that if this is a one-step reaction, it's completely concerted, it's like an elementary step, then yeah, where we have 3 molecules of A and 2 molecules of B colliding in the rate determining step, and this could be the rate law. However, that's most likely not the case. And this is probably a multi-step reaction, like one step, second step, third step, and only one of these is going to be the rate determining step, for instance, this one. And it might not reflect the stoichiometry of the overall reaction. And so it's tempting to say, oh, I can look at a reaction, know what the rate law is, but that's not the truth. In fact, maybe it won't depend on A at all. Maybe it'll only depend on B, and this could be the rate law. And this is an important fact to come to, is that the only way chemists are able to figure out the rate law of a reaction is through experiment. They can't do it analytically. They can't just look at a reaction. You need to perform the experiment and see how changes in concentration occur over time and by varying the amounts of